Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tarot card deck review. We are keeping in with the theme for Halloween, but I just want to do a quick shout out to all my new subscribers. Hello, welcome, thank you for being here. I love having you here, and hello to all my ride or dies out there. You guys are awesome. Thank you for returning and loving what I have to say. So anyway, we are going to be looking at and unboxing the Crow Tarot. This is created by MJ Cullinane. I believe that's how you say it, but you know, I butcher names all the time. So there we have it. This has been around for a while, I believe, but I just wanted to keep going with the Halloween theme that we've got going on for the month of September and October. And if you hear crazy sounds and jingles, those are my dogs, so I apologize. But I just got home and they're riled up. So anyway, this says, paying homage to the mystical energy of crows and ravens, Crow Tarot invites us to fly through the veil and connect with our intuitive powers. This artfully created 78 card deck is infused with the familiar symbolism of the traditional Rider-Waite, making it ideal for both beginners and professional readers. The 88-page guidebook presents upright and reverse meanings and includes a custom Crow Tarot spread. Okay, so already we're getting a great guidebook and all of the cards. So hopefully it'll be just as good as advertised. So we'll get that wrapping off. And it is a nice box, nice thick box. I'm loving that already. The colors are gorgeous and I love me some crows. So, oh, a cute little guidebook here. So let's see. Do a quick run through real fast. It says we do reversals. So we've got, yep, we've got pretty detailed info here. So that's great. Keywords, element, and reverse meanings. Awesome. So those of you who like doing reversals, perfect. Let's just see if, yep, the spread's in the back. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, so she, MJ Cullinane is both the artist and the author, so that's really cool too. All right, published by US Game Systems. This retails for, I think $23.99. I'm not certain, I should have made certain, but US Game System is the publisher. And I have a few of their decks and I like them, so that's promising. And of course, I thought I wasn't gonna have to struggle, and I am, so pardon me while I rip this open. Okay. So, it is a great size. It's bigger than, let's see. So this is the Haunted House deck, if that gives you a comparison size for you. So I like the, size is a little bit bigger than I would say standard, but look at that back. That is really pretty. Browns and blacks, definitely on theme. All right. And oh my goodness, that thickness is awesome. It is sturdy. It's not gonna go anywhere. I'm wondering how it will shuffle though, because it is pretty stiff, but here we go. This is the Fool. So pretty. It's like watercolor, almost really like you can feel the texture. Very cool. I'm loving this art style very much. There are borders, so if you guys are not liking the borders, that might be a downside for you. But I feel like it's very artfully done. Like you don't really notice the borders. Not too much of a gloss. I'm loving the imagery. Oh, look at how pretty that Wheel of Fortune is. They glide really well. That's a nice death card. And that's not too scary, right? For the devil. It's beautifully done. I'm really loving the imagery and the way the art is. All right, so it's going to go backwards and from starting with the king, it looks like. So far, I have nothing negative to say. And I feel like with these minor arcanas, the borders are a lot smaller. So you can get involved in the imagery a lot more, which is really nice. Very cool. This art style is really neat to me. I don't know, what do you guys think? I just see all this texture and it adds such a different element to the imagery. So now we're in the cups. Lots of water around, which is really cool because it is the suit of water. That 10 of cups, oh. You really get a sense of what the crow is feeling, even though it's, you know, a crow or a raven. I'm assuming it's a crow since, you know, that's what it's called. Very cool. Oh, yeah. I'm really liking this. The imagery is definitely there for beginners and experienced alike. You can definitely get at what the meanings are. Don't really have a negative thing really to say about it so far. But let's see how it shuffles, and then that might prove to be a negative. I don't know. We'll see. Very cute. Okay. So let's start shuffling this way. Okay, they do glide. I like the gliding. Yes. Now, usually with tarot decks, when you first get them, they're going to kind of like to stick together a little bit. Let's try it this way. Yeah, there's some flexibility in it. I'm shocked. That's awesome. Okay. Really not a negative thing to say about this. I feel like it's definitely worth the $23.95 or $22.95. It's 20 something. It's under $25. And you get a nice little compact box, a nice booklet that's full of information. You got a custom spread in there from her, I should say. Yeah, I don't have a bad thing to say about it. You have a reversal meaning, you have the keywords, and then it goes in depth with the little paragraphs in that guidebook. I feel like this is a perfect beginner deck because not only is it a great expansive imagery in the card, but you do have all of those, the information in the guidebook to help you out. This is awesome. And it's not such a like heavy feeling deck like the Haunted House Tarot could feel. tarot in general has some heavy cards, but you know, that's life. We have heavy moments, but it's not all heavy. There's a lot of positivity in the cards too. I mean, that is one of the most positive cards you could pull in the tarot, the Sun, and it's really positive looking. So as a beginner looking through these cards, you can definitely imply what's going on and you know, use your intuition really well with it. There's lots of imagery. The pictures are gorgeous. I love the style of art. I just feel like that is something different that I have not seen before. I feel like I can touch the different textures in it, which is really cool to me. It's almost like collage as well. I don't know how to describe it other than like watercolor collage. And I'm probably going to get that wrong, but that's just how I see it. But I really like it. I feel like it adds depth to the images. So you really do get some thorough information. And I like how it's all themed with the crows. So you really get to see the life through the crows, if that makes sense. And you have the elements, the keywords. I mean, I can't think of a negative thing to say. And the box is nice and sturdy, and it fits everything in it. So I feel like if you were to take these with you, they would be a great companion card deck to take along with you wherever you wanted to go. Because as a lot of you know, I do that quite often. Whenever I go places, I take a deck with me because you never know when the moment calls, you're going to need your deck. So I will link every place that you can, or that I know of that you can buy these down below in the description box, along with the publisher's site. And let me know what you think about this. Is this a deck that calls to you? Is this a deck that you would see yourself using? Do you think it's easy to read? Do you think that you would have fun reading it? I would genuinely like to know, because everybody's different. Everybody's tastes are different. What do you think about the art style? Are you on the same path with me that like loves the different style of art? I would genuinely like to know. If this video has helped you or has at least entertained you and you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, feel free to do so. I have more pick-a-card readings, tarot and oracle deck reviews, and lots of different crafting and interesting stuff coming, actually. So for the month of September and October, we're focusing on fall and autumn and Halloween. So if that's something you're interested in and like, go ahead and subscribe. And if you have not yet hit that notification bell, go ahead and do that, because I do not have a set upload schedule. My day job is kind of, the schedule's all over the place, so I upload when I can, and I try to upload as much as possible as well. So hit that notification bell, and that way you'll never miss a video from me. All right, guys, thank you so much. And thanks to everybody that keeps coming back. I appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.